Hi everybody, welcome back to my mom's recipe box. This week, it's not exactly a recipe, but I wanted to share with you one of my dad's recipes in my dad's recipe box. Now my dad's recipe box would have 3 recipes in it because he knew how to make 3 things. The first thing he knew how to make was a boiled hot dog. He would boil hot dogs until they started to split, and then he would put them in a hot dog bun with ketchup. That was the only thing he put on hot dogs. The other thing he knew how to make was the perfectly cooked bacon. I don't know how he did it, because bacon is kind of like an art, really, making good bacon. And he made the best bacon I ever had in my life. But he would only make it on the weekends, and only if you begged him would he make it. But the third thing he made was a sandwich, and he would make it often. Because my mom used to work nights sometimes, and my dad would have to do the cooking. And sometimes, when we were lucky, we got this sandwich. So what I'm going to make for you today is my dad's peanut butter and Swiss cheese sandwich. Now, I know, you're all rolling your eyes, you're all going, it's actually really good. The Swiss cheese, Swiss cheese is kind of nutty, and it goes well with the peanut butter. So I'm asking you, to give it a try. What's the worst that can happen? It's not that bad. So anyway, one of the reasons why I'm showing you this recipe today is because, we lost our dog recently, and our dog and my dad were like best friends. So I like to think of Rafe and my dad somewhere in some kind of cosmic heaven, sitting on the sofa together, and my dad would be sharing a peanut butter and Swiss cheese sandwich with Rafe, which would make Rafe so happy. So to think about that happy thought, I wanted to make for you today my dad's peanut butter and Swiss cheese sandwich. So come on over and I'll show you what we have. Now what I have here are 2 slices of multigrain bread. Now my dad made this with white bread and probably Wonder Bread. Unfortunately, we don't have any, so we're gonna have to use the multigrain. We have 1 slice of Swiss cheese, and we have a jar of peanut butter. Okay, my dad liked creamy peanut butter. We don't have any of that either, so Dad, I'm sorry, we're just gonna have to make do. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the extra crunchy peanut butter, and I'm gonna do my best to spread it on the bread without tearing the bread to bits. Okay, so you're gonna get a nice thick spread of peanut butter. I think that our cameraman likes peanut butter more than he likes Swiss cheese, so I'm gonna put extra. I'm gonna put a little extra peanut butter on the sandwich for my dear cameraman, who my dad also loved. Okay, let's see here. So we got a nice thick spread of peanut butter. Then we're gonna take our Swiss cheese, put it on top. Now, if you want to be super fancy, you can take this slice of bread and put it on a piece of tin foil and put it under the broiler for a few minutes until the Swiss cheese gets bubbly. And that's the gourmet peanut butter and Swiss cheese sandwich. But we're not doing the gourmet today, okay? So then we're going to take this bread and we're going to put it on top. And now this is very important, you guys. My dad always believed that a sandwich needed to be as flat as possible. So we are going to really flatten this bread as much as we can. There we go. Nice and flat. And then we're going to cut it in half. And we're not going to do fancy because my dad did not do fancy. He liked it right down the middle. Okay? So now when we come back, we are going to go down memory lane with this peanut butter and Swiss cheese sandwich. Come back. Hi everybody, welcome back. So we have our Swiss cheese and peanut butter sandwich flattened, and we're ready to do a taste. So babe, help yourself.
That's my first time.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. Well, you're in for a treat, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Hold on, let me. Mine's stuck to the plate because I squished it so much. Okay, guys. Cheers to you, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. What do you think? You mostly taste peanut butter.
Mm-hmm. Mostly peanut butter, and we've got a good grainy bread. I know your dad, not his type.
Right. So I would say predominantly you taste peanut butter. I think.
I think it's healthy.
It's a good protein, right? Because you've got protein from the peanut butter and you've got protein from the cheese. And this bread is multigrain.
Fiber.
So, you know, it's not the worst thing you can eat.
No.
I mean, it's actually really good. The cheese is mild, but not so mild like it's totally lost.
Right.
If you want to taste the cheese, I would add another slice.
Well,
Or just maybe go a little bit less on the peanut butter.
no, another slice of cheese.
Okay, don't go less on
Extra
the peanut
protein.
butter. Okay, so Dad, we love you. Thank you for the sandwich.
Thank you.
Be sure to give some more to Rafe.
Rafe loved peanut butter and cheese.
Oh my God. 2 of his favorite things in the whole world. So thanks for joining us on this slightly shorter episode of My Mom's Recipe Box. As always, we love having you.
Thanks for joining.
Please subscribe if you like what you see. Please hit the like and share button. And we have new content every Wednesday. So please join us. We'd love to see you every week on My Mom's Recipe Box, okay? Take good care, everybody.
Take care.
Stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.